Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping in. Today, we're going to be washing our car in the garage. Now, we can't do it outside because of the elements, so we're proving that we'll be able to do it inside today. And normally when people wash their cars at home, they use up to 50 gallons of water, they use this wash and wax fluid, and they use their microfiber mitts. We don't need any of them. So since these methods are unnecessary and wasteful, we're using a better, eco-friendly method, which is Legacy of Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Now, this stuff is not in any store, so we'll be leaving a link of where to buy it in the description. And I am mixing it with water, and because of this, I am only using this entire bottle because it's highly concentrated. So altogether, we're saving a bunch of water, and we're using zero harmful chemicals that are bad for the environment. Now, before a bunch of car lovers start sharpening their pitchforks, our Tesla is wrapped in 3M protective film. And this film means that it is being able to heal our car from any scratches or swirl marks. And 3M's film also protects our Tesla from rock chips, bird poop and bug splatter, scratches, paint fade, and we've done videos on the application process in the past, and we'll be leaving them up here. And altogether, the film is backed up with a 10-year warranty. And remember that if you're in the New England area, you should check out our friends at Protection Plus. They do this kind of stuff to anyone's car, and we will be leaving a link to them in the description. And speaking of bug splatter, so, Tesla owners are advised to not put their car in a car wash, and since it's raining, I could always just do this at home, even if it was snowing. So if you're in a colder part of the region, this can still work for you. And all this bug stuff right here is a great example about how 3M's Pro Series protective film is keeping our Tesla safe from frontal insect splatter. For illustrative purposes, I'm cleaning the front of the car first before the rest, and I would normally clean from top to bottom because if I did it the other way around, I would be bringing dirt from the bottom of the car up to the top. Washing our Tesla takes time, but subscribing doesn't. After you do that, you should hit the bell so you're notified when we make new videos. And if you have another eco-friendly way to wash your car that saves water, let us know in the comments. I want to clarify that the sunroof isn't covered in protective film, but every other part of the car is. So basically, wherever there's white on the car, there's film.
Perfect.
Besides the front of the Tesla, behind the wheels inside the wheel wells is the spot that's probably the dirtiest out of the entire car, and this is because it collects all of the grime from the tires. The microfiber cloth I have now is older than the others, and it's used for the wheel wells and the main bumper. Here, I am changing my cloth again so I can clean the Tesla's rear diffuser. I started off with half a spray bottle of solution and water, and now I'm refilling it with half a cup of solution, but I don't need to measure it because I've done it so many times. You can see how easily the dirt comes off of the Tesla, which makes this process easy. The wheels are the dirtiest part of the car, so I saved them for last. And you know we can't forget the chrome Tesla T. What are your thoughts on what the car looks like after being cleaned with only 32 ounces of water and solution? To make sure every inch of the car is clean, I use the Tesla app to pull the car out of the garage and give it an inspection. Everyone with a Tesla has the ability to control it using their phone. I hope this video was informative for anyone owning a Tesla and that it gave you ideas of how to clean your car in an eco-friendly way. Thanks for watching!